Hello, Sarah Jane Cruickshank here, and I want to introduce you to our incredible new group, the Ninja Forex Traders Light Group. Now, this group has been set up for people to come along, have a look at our Ninja trading system, learn the Ninja trading system, and also get access to our exclusive Educator tool so that you can practice our Ninja trading system for yourself to just see how amazing it is. Not only that, when you come into this group, you stay in this group. We don't remove you. You stay in this group. So it's not like come in and we kick you out. You stay in this group so you can benefit from the amazing, just the wonderful community that our Ninja Forex team have. You'll be welcomed in here, as you can see. Not only that, in the unit section of this group, which is here, you have the full Ninja training system. Okay, which is there, and also how to access the Educator software and the PDF instructions. You have our live trading schedules. That's right, you will get to watch our live trading sessions. Plus, also, you will get bonus training. This is our new Ninja Crossfire UK and Ninja Crossfire North America, and the videos are in there for you to watch and learn that system. Now, like I said before, you will get to watch our live trading sessions. So you can jump into these videos.
Hello,
here,
David Khan here.
And literally you can watch while people trade live. This is our Ninja team.
Now
they
I'm
are
ready
all just, volunteers who are very good at trading to come and show you the system, the Ninja trading system. And there is no better way to learn something than to watch somebody doing it. And we have sessions across the time scale, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world. You can come along and watch these. This Paul here, he does his trading sessions as well, which are awesome. So let's just click closed. And we are all teaching you the Ninja trading system.
Indeed,
so there is no reason why you can't come into this group, learn the Ninja trading system, and then if you really love what you see and you want to upgrade to become a full customer and a full member, you will then get put into our Ninja Forex Traders members group. And the members group has got incredible bonuses, and also you get access to all of the live trading sessions. So you only get a little snippet in the light group, and also you get the full Ninjacator as a member, plus the IM Academy and all of the trading tools. So why not come and check us out? It's completely free. It won't cost you a penny to come into this group and just watch along and learn the Ninja trading system with us. We can't wait to welcome you into this group. And I look forward to welcoming you into this Ninja Traders Forex Light group. If you are interested in joining this group, all you need to do is message me. We need to be friends on Facebook so that I can add you to this group. So reach out to me. Let's become friends on Facebook. Send me a message that you want to go into this group and I can add you. Or come along to my own group, which is Making Sense of Forex Trading. This group here. Comment in here that you want to go in, and then I can add you as well. Okay, so there's two ways to get in contact with me: through my own group, Making Sense of Forex Trading, or just come and find me on Facebook, okay, and comment below just to get, comment on my personal page or one of my groups, and I will get to know you. But please add me as a friend so that I can add you to the group. I can't wait to welcome you into the Ninja Forex Traders Light group. Just message me as soon as you can to get in there, okay? Because numbers are building very quickly. Look, we've got another 2 member requests going in already. So I look forward to seeing you in that group, and I'll catch you all later.